How to completely sign out of Google account in your PC. Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to do so, you can follow this method including Chrome and all the Google services. So let's get started. So we can sign out from Google websites. So you can open up any of the Google service in your browser such as Gmail, Drive, etc. Just go over and open it up. I'm just going to open up Gmail. So let's open it up. And once we open it up, what we can do is we can click on the profile picture icon in the top right, and there just go over and look out for the option called sign out of all the accounts and click on sign out, and that will sign you out of that browser session only. You can follow it up. And if you want to remove account from Chrome, once we open up Chrome, we can look out for our profile picture icon, usually in the top right corner, this one right here. And from there as well, we can just go over and look out for the option called manage people or settings manage profiles, and there look out for your Chrome Google account. Click on the three dot and select the option for delete and confirm it up, and that will remove Google account and all the synced data from this PC. You can follow this method. And warning that will delete your synced bookmarks, history, passwords from the browser, but not from the Google Cloud. Also, you can clear other cookies inside data. So you can just go over, look out for Chrome. You can press Control Shift and delete and look out for the section and look out for the option called browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and click on this option called delete data and confirm it up, and this ensures no Google session tokens remain in the browser. And that's it. After doing all of these steps together, your Google account is now completely signed out from that PC. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.